Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how do you go live on Facebook. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to this what's on your mind on the top, or you can also head over to the three lines icon on the top right. Then head over to your profile. Now scroll down and you will find the option of what's on your mind, or go to the live option. So if you go to what's on your mind, you will find the live video option in here. You can also um just go to this live section in here. So once you tap on live, you will just go to live. So yeah, if you go back, just tap on go live and it will be on air. So yeah, this is how you can just go live. You can also filter out who are going to see your live. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.